What is happening? My software business. We're going to be talking about my software business and how you can position yourself starting today to earn unlimited $200 commissions simply by sharing a phone number and offering a product to people that want to learn how to automate their business. So, step number one, again, if you can share a phone number, okay, with others looking to make money and change your life. Step number two, have your virtual assistant helping you close those sales, answering your prospects' questions, and sending them your affiliate link to get signed up and get started with the business. And step number three, you can collect the $200 commissions. You can use PayPal, Venmo, Cash App, Zelle, whatever payment method you'd like to use. You can use that for this business, and you get paid $200 directly to you. You don't have to wait to get paid once a week. You don't have to wait to get paid twice a month. You get paid every single day, right, when you make a commission. So I'm going to get straight to it and, just show you what this is all about. I'm going to move my camera here a little bit, but I just made this quick presentation. You get $200 commissions, right? It's based on 100% commissions. And really cool thing is that there's a reverse second up commission. So you start building your team and you can get double commissions for that. Okay, beautiful thing is that it's only a one-time payment to get started with this opportunity. And again, there is no cap, there's no limit to the amount of commissions that you can make. It all comes down to the type of effort and dedication that you're putting towards the business. Okay, and then of course there's that one-time payment of $50 for the administration fee. And again, after that, there are no monthly fees unless you want to, of course, keep adding to your credits for your phone messaging. Okay, but you do get 100 credits as soon as you get started as a bonus to get you up and running. And so what do you get, right? A lot of people are asking me, what exactly do you get, joining this business? And the reason why I joined this opportunity again is because they over deliver, right? They're adding so much value for just those one-time payments. And so what you get again is your own virtual assistant helping you close your sales. Okay. You get your own company phone number. The company provides you a phone number, and then you have your own back office portal to track your leads. You're going to be able to see the different people that are creating their accounts with MSP. You're going to be able to track all of your leads. Okay. And then also, as a bonus, I always like to give you my bonus training where I show you exactly the strategies that I've been using that has allowed me to generate multiple $200 commissions. And I'm going to show you exactly what strategies to apply on a daily basis if you're doing online marketing. Also, if you're doing offline marketing, I show you a couple of different strategies that you can use to get up and going. And really cool thing is that you're going to be able to offer my 6K bonus to your personal team as well. Okay. Really cool thing that they're going to be adding is the page builder tool, which I'm really looking forward to. And with this page builder tool, you're going to be able to create unlimited funnels, marketing funnels for this business and for any other business opportunity that you're promoting right now. And I'm going to show you right now something really cool. They just added where you can add your own affiliate links. So if you are promoting a primary business, you're going to be able to add it to the back end of MSP, which is really awesome. I'm going to show you exactly what that looks like in a couple of minutes. And also you get the 12 softwares that help you automate your leads and your sales. So if you're somebody that wants to learn how to automate the process of generating your leads and possible sales, I think this is going to be a great opportunity for you. And let me just go ahead and escape from this screen. And then we're going to go ahead and go to what it looks like. So right here on my screen, you can see this is what my software business, the back office, looks like. And they just added the marketplace where you're going to be able to add your own affiliate links. And really cool thing, as you can see right here, they ask you what category it's under. So you can add, if you're promoting another software or tool, if you're promoting an autoresponder or just any other tool that you think is going to help your team members, you can add it here in the back office and create multiple streams of income with an MSP. So you have the option to add your software and tools, how to get leads and traffic, mindset training. So any type of opportunity, you can add it in the back end. And right here, title, you're going to go ahead and just add the information For example, one of my primary business is this one here, Infinity Processing System. Earn $300 per commission. Okay, that's just one thing that I can do. I can add my primary business in the back end, right? And instead of just making one commission, right, there's a lot of people that would like to create multiple streams of income. You would be making multiple commissions at once. So this is really awesome. I'm a huge believer when it comes to, not having all your eggs in one basket, but diversifying your portfolio, right? So earn $300 per commission. Category opportunities, it's an opportunity. Price range, it is from 50 to 300. Okay. And then destination URL, you would simply add the link where you want to send your members. That's where, so they can go get, register with that new opportunity that you are adding, or, get signed up with you. Okay. So I'm going to add my affiliate link. It's HTTP. Just showing you exactly what the process looks like here, okay? Okay, Infinity Processing System.info. Awesome, that's that. And then right here, okay, enter whatever content you want to display about this item here. You can add videos, photos, add any HTML element. So right here, if you have a primary video for the business that you are promoting, okay, you would simply get the HTML code of that video, and then you would add it right here, okay? Or if you want to add a photo, you can go ahead and grab the HTML code of that and then just add it here, okay? So that's really awesome. And then right here, personal message from you. You can go ahead and add, your personal message so that the prospect, the member, can see it. Something like, for example, if you're offering a special bonus for that specific opportunity, you can go ahead and add it right here. So special bonus, 6-figure blueprint. When you get started today, okay? Just giving you ideas of what you can do and how powerful this can be for your business. Okay, is this a hot item? You can turn it on and then click here where it says add item to the marketplace. So once you add it, okay, the team member, once they log in, they're going to be able to click on the marketplace and they're going to be able to see your opportunity. And then if you add a video, they're going to be able to watch a video alongside that opportunity. Again, it can be a business opportunity, or it can be a tool that can help them automate their business. It could be an autoresponder that you're promoting. It could be whatever that you think would benefit or just go hand in hand with MSB. You can add it inside of your back office, which I think is awesome. Again, another really cool thing is leads and traffic. If you're associated, right, with, let's say you're associated with Udemy or any other traffic generating platform, you can add that link here, right? Because every single business, in order for them to succeed, they need traffic. So you can add it here so that when your, team member signs up for MSP, they can sign up with you and start purchasing paid traffic if that's the route they want to go. So there's so many different ideas, right, that I'm throwing out there and just showing you how you can scale your business with just in one platform. So anyways, get started with the team today. I am going to be doing a live coaching session this week, showing you how you can do this and exactly showing you what it looks like. So you don't want to miss out. Get started with the team today. And then, we'll get you up and running. So I'll see you at the top. Ciao, ciao.